this seems to be a topic that really spooks a lot of people, and it gets guys all antsy. Especially if you got people behind you and you don't want to be the guy holding the line. I understand. And I will tell you this too, and it's fair. If you are riding with a group, it could be a group of 3 guys, 4 guys, it could be a group of 30 guys. It could be a group of 300 guys, but I really don't recommend doing those. It's okay to ask for help. Now, the form of help might be, hey, you want me to back it in and you sit on your ski and I'll unhitch it and I'll just dunk you in the water and you can drive away? And you go, oh, man, that'll be great. And you go, hey, put your vest on, get your lanyard on, hop on the ski, I'll unhook you, and I'll back your car in. Oh, thanks, man. That's a lot. You're a lifesaver. Out the door. Okay? Or the guy might say, hey, listen, give me the lanyard to your ski. I already have my vest on. I'll go tie up your ski and you back your truck up. Okay, well, that still saves you a whole mess of time. It's okay to ask for help. Now, you don't want to ask for help from some stranger you don't know because he might run off with your ski or run off with your truck or whatever. But if you're in a group and there's people that you know, say, hey, Joe, can you help me out? Yeah, man, no problem. What do you need? Hey, listen, I'm going to thread the needle and these guys are pretty tight. Why don't you back me in and make sure that I'm in between? Oh, okay, no problem. Yeah, keep it straight, Kevin. Keep it straight. Okay. And there you go. All right. It's okay to ask for help. No one's going to think less of you. All right. No one's going to point their finger and laugh. No one's going to think less of you, especially if it's a busy Saturday morning, because to be honest, your group wants to be on the water and they want to run. You do too. So if you go, hey, man, can you help me stab this thing in so I don't waste anyone's time? Great. No problem. Let's get you in the water. 100%. So don't sweat it. Guys, give yourself some slack. All right. Everyone wants to have a good time on the water. Everyone wants to get on the water as quick as possible. And no one wants to have their truck get scraped up. So again, it's okay to ask for help. And you can say so at the beginning. If there's like a writers meeting, if your club leader says, all right, guys, here's the plan, yada, yada, yada. And you go, hey, listen, I got this. I'm driving the wife's car and I don't like the mirror setup. Can you guys help me back this thing in? You got it, dude. What do you need? Because they would much rather have a smooth, effortless launch than a cluster.
Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.